Hi everyone, welcome to Dad Makes Things. Today, the plan is simple. We are going to make some environmentally friendly shampoo. Hey Ray, what are we making today?
We are making...
What? I'll give you a hint. Smell down his hair. Smell good or bad?
Good.
Oh, thank you. How's it look? Clean or dirty?
Clean.
It looks clean?
Yeah.
Let me see your hair. Oh, this could do a little work. It could be a little cleaner. You know what we're gonna make today, Ray?
What?
Come on, buddy, you know. What do we make?
Shampoo!
Yeah, we're not gonna make just any shampoo. We're gonna make really good shampoo for the boys, right?
Yeah.
This shampoo we can use at home because we ran out of shampoo. In nature even, because it's gonna be biodegradable and not bad for the environment. That means we could even use it out back in our stream if we want. What do you think?
And that is gonna do it in our stream today.
All right. Spoiler alert. All right, let's take a look at what we're doing here. We're gonna make shampoo. Dad Makes Things shampoo. 1/2 cup of Castile soap, 1/4 cup of distilled water, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 6 drops of tea tree oil, drops of tobacco oil, and melted menthol crystals, so that it gives you that kind of like tingle. How many of these drops should we put in?
Maybe it will taste good.
How many drops?
3,
No, 1,
10.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll start with anything 10. You want to say before I go wash my hair?
I love you, guy, whoever watching. I love you.
Anything else, or is that enough? Okay, Ray, what's the plan?
You're going outside and dipping my head into the water.
Why?
It's because it's fun.
Yeah, but what are we testing out?
The shampoo.
All right. Ray, your hair could use some shampooing today. Looks a little dirty.
Dad, let's do it. I fall in the water.
You fell? Whoa, Ray, don't fall. Oh, it's right under the water, Ray. Okay.
Okay.
I'm a little nervous. I'm gonna be cold. Here we go. Oh.
I want to try that still.
You want to?
Yeah.
Okay, just let me help you out then, okay? Because I don't want you to get all wet and fall in. Yes, let's go in the house before we get too cold.
No, I want to stay outside and
Nope. Can't stay outside with a wet head, Ray. Let's go in. No. Ray, on a number 1 to 10, what do you give our shampoo?
5.
Only 5?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, why is it not higher? Why is it only 5?
Because there's shampoo in my eye and I like it.
Okay.
So half 5.
It smells great, in my opinion. Your hair smells great. Okay, will you ever use that shampoo again? No? So that shampoo's just for your dad?
Yeah.
Okay, and then maybe if we go camping, we can use it out in the stream or something, or in the lake. What do you think?
Yeah.
All right, to conclude, we got our shampoo all finished. Rayan gives it a 5. Personally, I think it's more of like a 7 or an 8. It smells really good. It's got menthol in it. It's got little hints of tobacco. It's just a really pleasant smell. So I'm going to keep using it. I like the shampoo a lot. Rain doesn't like it because I got a little bit in his eye and it stung. So now he associates that with a sting in his eye. But I love it. So yeah, I'd call this a success.
Bye. That makes things out.
Chop spoken.